Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan kefir. First, understand that vegan kefir is a fantastic fermented drink packed with beneficial probiotics. Crafting it yourself is not only budget-friendly, but also allows you to tailor flavors. You'll primarily need active water kefir grains and a suitable sugar source, like organic cane sugar or maple syrup, to get started on this delicious journey. To begin, gently rinse your water kefir grains with filtered water. Next, in a clean glass jar, combine the rinsed grains with about 4 cups of filtered water and 1/4 cup of your chosen sugar. Stir until the sugar dissolves. Cover the jar loosely and let it sit at room temperature, ideally between 68 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for 24 to 48 hours to activate. After activation, strain the liquid from your grains using a non-metal strainer, reserving the grains for your next batch. The strained liquid is your first fermentation. To start a new batch, simply add fresh sugar water to the reserved grains. Your kefir is ready when it tastes slightly tangy and less sweet, typically within 24 to 48 hours, depending on the temperature. For a second fermentation, add fruit juice, or herbs to your strained kefir, and let it sit for another 12 to 24 hours for enhanced flavor and fizz. Once complete, strain out any solids and store your delicious vegan kefir in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. It's perfect in smoothies or on its own. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.